Welcome to Briarcliff Avenue in the city of Fontana. This gorgeous move-in ready single-story home in the Bellagio community has no HOA and was built in 2009. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Inside, you'll enjoy the open floor plan, wood flooring, and laundry area. The kitchen has all appliances with plenty of cabinets and beautiful granite countertops, providing perfect entertainment with the round breakfast bar overlooking the family room. The master suite is spacious with a big walk-in closet. The master bathroom has 2 sinks, tub, and separate shower. The property is fully landscaped with a concrete-covered patio, and it is conveniently located near shopping, parks, hiking trails, schools, as well as the 10 and 60 freeways. Contact Naim Olachea and Diaz to learn more.